Question 4. The diagrams below show the human and plant reproductive systems. Identify the parts where the female sex cells are produced in both the human and plant reproductive system. So we are looking for female sex cells. Well, before we start, let us identify all the parts here. For the human system, P is actually the ovary. Okay? Which carries the ovules. And Q is actually the uterus. Fetus attaches itself here for the development of the fetus itself. Okay, so that is the human part of the reproductive system. As for the plants, for W, W is actually the anther, and this is a male part producing pollen grains. As for X, X is actually the ovary. As you can see, the ovules inside represented by the small circles. So again, the ovary carries the ovules. Y is actually the stalk of the flower, which is the same as the stem. And last but not least, we have Z, which is the stigma. Attracts insects. Okay? So if we are looking for female cells, then for human, we are looking for the ovary, which is P. Okay? So if we look at the first options, the first two options here, we have P. The third option is out because it gives you Q. And the fourth option is also out because it gives you Q for the human part. Okay, and then for plants, we have X and Z. But having discussed, we know that X is the one that we are looking for because X is the ovary. So again, part 2 is cancelled out. So we are left with option 1. So answer is option 1.